Lesson 45. Range, median, mode, mean. You have sets of number. These numbers can be the speed of vehicles. You have 45, 47, 52, 61, 61, 63, and 67. To find the range of these numbers, make sure they are arranged from least to greatest, and in this case, they are. Sometimes they mix them up, so make sure you arrange them from least to greatest. If the number gets repeated more than once, you have to list it even if it was listed more than once. So if you have 61 listed twice, you're going to put them twice. The range is the difference between the greatest number and the least number. So 67 minus 45, and that will be 22. The median, which is the middle number, if you cross out one of the least and one of the greatest, least, greater one, least, greater one, and you will be left with just one number, and that's going to be your median, 61. If you end up with two numbers, like in this case I have odd number for my numbers, so I end up just with one number in the center. Sometimes you end up with two if you have 8 numbers. What you do, you average them. Let's say you have 61 and 62. So you average them. So that would be 61.5. We're going to have an example for that. The mode is the number get repeated the most. Mode. 61 is the number get repeated the most. So we're going to put 61 right here. The mean is another name for average. With the average, what you're going to do, you're going to add all these numbers, 45 plus 47, 52, 61, 61, 63, 67, and you divide them by the number of addends, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, over 7, and your answer here would be 56.6. Another problem, letter A now. If I have these set of numbers 11, 19, 21, 23, 21, 25. And they're asking me for the same question, range, median, mode, mean. First step, align them from least to greatest. So that would be 11, 19, 21, 21, 23, 25. To find the range, we're going to subtract 25 minus 11 equals to 14. Median, cross out the 11 with the 25. 19 with the 23. Here we end up with two numbers, 21 and 21. So the median is going to be 21 plus 21 over 2, and it's 21. Sometimes they won't be the same numbers. So you average the two numbers that you have after you cross out one from the left, one from the right. Mode is the number get repeated the most, and it's 21. Average or the mean, add them and divide by the number of addends. So that's going to be 11 plus 19, 21, 21, 23, 25 over 6, and the mean is 20. The last example for today, B, the mean of 4 numbers is 7. and 3 of the numbers are 2, 5, and 11. What is the fourth number? Usually we give you the numbers and we ask you for the mean, which is their average. This time we're giving you the average. We're giving you the first 3 numbers and we're asking you for the fourth number. So we're going to use all the information we have, and what you're going to end up with is just one equation with one unknown, which is your fourth number. So mean of the 4th number is 7. So here we go. 7 equals, because this is my mean, this is my average, equals to the first number 2 plus 5 plus 11 plus n. I don't know the fourth number, divided by 4. So my job is to find 7. Cross multiply 7 times 4 equals 2 plus 5 plus 11 plus n. That would be 28 equals 18 plus n. Move the n to the other side, become negative 18, and the fourth number will be 10. I'd like to do one more problem with you. You can find it in your book. It's example 45.3. The mean of 5 numbers is 10. So 10 equals mean of 5 numbers, so the 5 is going to go in my denominator. 4 of the numbers are 2, 8, 11, and 14. 2 plus 8 plus 11 plus 14. And find the 5th number. So here's my n right here. 10 times 5, if I do cross multiplication, that would be 50. Equals 2 plus 8 is 10, plus 11, 21, plus 14 is 35, plus n. That means my n equals to 15. And that's all for lesson 45.